So Bitcoin has made it up to my technical resistance level target of around 47,000. It's actually trading nearer 48,000 at the moment, 47,700. Now, from a technical perspective, this is where I go all in. For a short, that is, and I have been increasing my short position over on Bybit. Now, a lot of people, particularly newer people in the space that only want the price to go up forever and ever, are going to be a little bit pissed by this video, but that's great because it's good to give some realism to the market by looking at the technicals in this chart. I'm not just watching Bitcoin, guys. I'm watching the bigger macro picture. I'm of course watching the S&P 500, the Nasdaq. What I can show you what's happened on the Nasdaq from where we were at the all-time high prices in the S&P 500 back at the start of January. Obviously, we had a huge correction for the S&P 500 standards of about 15%. We've been rallying since, but volume has been decreasing. And also, if you run a Fibonacci retracement level from swing high to swing low, you can see we've come right up to the resistance point on the golden pocket on the S&P 500. What does this mean for Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoin is in this technical bear flag range, obviously from its all-time high 10th of November when it was at $69,000. We did come all the way down, about a 50% correction. We're now only down about 30%, so we're up essentially 20% from the low. Now, what we're currently seeing is the top of this range, this resistance line that I've drawn for you here that you can see is playing a big resistance point right now. This gray shaded area that you can see across my chart, this is basically a historical, very, very strong support resistance area. It's basically where bull markets are made or bear markets are created, however you want to look at it. It's a reversal zone. This is where I believe Bitcoin starts heading down over the next few days. Now, I've opened up a short position over on Bybit. And by the way, guys, for those of you that are already trading on Bybit or want to start trading on Bybit, they are currently running this amazing competition. So you can enter it for free. You just simply need at least $200 in your trading account. And there are 300,000 USDT in prizes to win. And basically, guys, using the link in the video description below, top winner can expect to win 40,000. Obviously, there's a few people joining, but if you're a very good trader, why not? But the great thing is, even if you're ranked within the top 1,000 people, you'll still can win $50 basically just from trading and being profitable. Free to join, only 10,000 participants needed to unlock the prize of 200,000. So when you use my specific link in the video description, there's also a $3,000 bonus if you deposit at least 1,000 USDT. But nonetheless, you can use that link, sign up and start in the competition. Good luck trading, guys. So let's go back into this Bitcoin price. What we have obviously is a bear flag. Now, a lot of people will be thinking it's not a bear flag. We're making our way back up. We've broken resistance. Well, it couldn't be further from the truth, guys. In fact, this is a bear flag. And if you measure it as such, what you will see is the target is still down, bearish scenario, down to about what, $25,000, and people will be thinking, we can't go that low, we can't go that low. Oh, believe me, we could. This is going to be a bigger bear market, guys. We have obviously inflation going through the roof. The Fed can't keep up. They're going to have to raise interest rates. And I know there's been great news in the crypto markets recently, like Dalio, Bridgewater getting into Bitcoin. And that's fantastic as a headwind for the midterm, because mid-long term, I'm incredibly bullish on Bitcoin. And don't get me wrong, when we head back down to $30,000, $25,000, even $20,000, I will be buying it like anyone's business. Also, news about obviously Terra Luna, who I'm very bullish on as well, by the way, topping up with their Bitcoin reserve. So there's a lot of things to be bullish about Bitcoin in the medium long term. But for the to the short medium term, for the next sort of 3-6 months, guys, I believe we are still in a bear market. We will still come down in price. And also, not a lot of people are talking about this resistance line. So by the way, although we've rallied, yeah, great, over the last couple of weeks, we've had a nice pump of about 25%. We're still trading within this range. And guess what? Volume has not been increasing. In fact, if anything, over the last couple of weeks, it's been getting less, which isn't a good sign if you didn't know, guys. Very quick pause, guys, just to say thank you if you are still watching at this point. And you may be surprised to know that only about 20% of viewers are subscribed. So if you like my content and you want to see daily price action and other content around Bitcoin, Ethereum, make sure you subscribe and do turn the bell on. That way you'll get notified when I post. Join the family. And if you haven't already, do smash the like button to let me know you enjoyed the video. Let's get back into it. That's the last resistance line we're seeing. If it breaks sort of $49,000 level, even if it holds above $48,000, guys, like I've been saying in my previous videos, you know, I would change my the sentiment, let's say, to more of a neutral to bullish sentiment if we held above that level. But until we do that, I'm bearish and I'm shorting the market, guys. And if you want to follow my real-time trade signals, you can do for free in the Telegram Trade Signals group. All you need to do is click the link in the video description below for my trade signals. You'll see this Google form and you just use this link to sign up. You do need an affiliated account under our community. You will get a bonus if you haven't already got one with this link as well. Here's NordVPN, huge discount, 70% for the year if you're in the States or Canada. You just need to set your location as somewhere else like the UK or the UAE, but you'll get my free real-time trade signals by doing that, guys. Do leave your comments. Let me know where you think Bitcoin is right now. Obviously, I'm bearish because of what's going on in more of a macro picture with Ukraine, with Russia, obviously with what's happening with the weakened dollar, inflation. There is a crisis going ahead, guys. There will be a recession, if not this year, within the next 18 months, and we will see impacted economy throughout the rest of the year. Oil prices are rising. I wouldn't be longing this market. I would be very careful right now midterm for Bitcoin. I do believe there is a long way to go before we can reach all-time high prices again, which I'm excited about because I will be buying the lower prices. And in the meantime, guys, we can short the market, profit from that, and you know, we can buy Bitcoin back when it's cheaper. That's how you can really accumulate wealth. So, you know, I'm surprised that we've rallied this much, to be honest, but I think it's curtains for the rally for now. And I know this is a bit of a controversial video. There's going to be a lot of hate in the comments, but it's all good, guys. Let's see what happens. And if I'm wrong, I will put my hands up. Happy to be wrong because I'm holding a lot of Bitcoin, and even though I'm shorting, you know, I'm going to make a lot of money in my holdings. So it's all good. But the technicals, this is what I'm going by. They're telling us the price is going to be going down. Leave comments, let me know what you think. If I provided value, whether you liked it or not, let me know in the comments. Share this, subscribe. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you want my outlook for 2022, even going as far as the middle of 2023, check out my video on Bitcoin Outlook 2022. I also have one for Ethereum. You can find them in the links. If you click on the information link at the top of this video, they'll be in the video description below. See you on the next one, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.